Well, folks, it's that time of year again. The 16th of November. Getting ready to put wood in the house. So the evenings will be warm. Well, during the day too. I found that this is the best way to put the wood up in the house. That's Mom's old wheelchair. Best way. Best way to do that. Beats throwing a wheelbarrow up there, and it makes it real dandy to get in the door. I'll get back with you. Well, I've got gloves on. I can't operate this. This is what happens when you don't know how to edit. That is too abstract for me. I've tried over and over again. But, well, I got an old ham steak in the oven. I'll get back with you. Let's see what she looks like. She might be done. I don't know. Well, that's what the timer says, huh? So let's check it out. Got a ham steak down in there from the pigs we butchered. And let's see if that's oh yeah, that's tender. Let's find her some pork here. Oh yeah. She's tender. Oh yeah, she's done. Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks real good. Yeah. Smells good. Oh, ham steak. This a little. I took the hams and sliced them up. About one ham I left whole, and the other ham I sliced up an inch thick. So let's put her back in the oven and let her rest there. I'll cut her off. We'll let it rest in there. A little longer. That'll make that good. Oh. Okay, let's finish getting some of that wood in the wood ring, okay? So I'll set you right here. And, I'll bring it in. Get my gloves. Puts the wheelchair in, like you're bringing in a patient. It's perfect. It's perfect. And this is about this is a wheelbarrow pull right here. So if I was to do the wheelbarrow, I would get this amount. Got loaded up and get my air conditioner for the project for the 69 Holiday Rambler. He just called, so I go meet him in town. Go meet him at old Stokes Electric over there. Okay, I'll get back with you and we'll finish loading this wood up, okay? Well, I made it back. We got to town and picked up that Coleman Mach 8, 15,000 BTU heater air conditioner to go in the top of the 69 Holiday Rambler. Picked her up. We've been sitting there probably 3 months, maybe 4 months waiting on it. But we got her. Look at the silhouette. Look how and it's, I like that. That's pretty cool. That'll look good on top of that 69 Holiday Rambler. Now, getting it back up there. That's gonna be tough. I got a tractor. I can probably get it up there. But look what I had to do. Had to move all my wood. Yeah. I don't expect she's, I don't know. The guy slid her down out of that truck pretty good. I don't know whether I can lift it or not. Yeah, I can lift it. It's heavy. It's heavy though. But that's it. Coleman Mach 8. We'll do an unboxing probably, okay? I'm gonna try to get back and get some wood here. Okay. See you together. As soon as I get this together, I'll catch you in the next video. I got some help now. See? I had to move the wood. You know, this is almost a wheelbarrow full of this chair.
Is it?
Yeah. I just handle a couple more pieces and that's it. Okay. Catch you back. Come on, you need some help getting down? Oh, you want to move it all to the back here?
No, I was just stacking a little bit more up.
Okay, well, you can stack some here because I can reach out there too. Okay, I'm gonna leave y'all here. I'll get back with you. And then
Now, this is the new that we've just split, ain't it?
Yeah.
Against the wall?
Yeah.
Well, now, it's not,
Cured?
it's not as seasoned as the other.
Guy was telling me about, I'll tell you here. We're on. Thank you so much for helping me. Did you want to try to pull it up the steps?
What are the steps?
This.
No.
Well, one day I might not be able to do it.
I can do it. I have a feeling.
Okay, that's enough.
Right.
Hello, Chipper Dog. You have a feeling?
Yeah, I have I can do it.
There you go. Okay. All right.
Look at them bugs.
Yeah. Them ain't no seeums. I see them. Why are they dancing like that?
Oh no.
Weird. But what you think it's them stink bugs?
No. Well, if they are, they're babies. They're babies.
Wow. Okay. Did you see that material I sent you a picture of?
Yeah, I
Well,
did.
what do you think about that?
It's nice, but did you see the price tag?
It's $34, isn't it?
A yard.
Yeah.
That's $350 just for the material.
Yeah. What would the other have been? Like 250?
The other, if we
Yeah.
got like at $18, it'd be spent $180.
Well, hey, I'll get back at you here. It's an older house. See, this is 3 loads right here. Here we go. Oh, buddy, no. Yeah, as soon as I learn how to edit, I better take all this out. But this is kind of fun because this is the whole thing right here. Yeah.
Definitely need gloves.
Oh, yeah. And you gonna start a fire tonight?
I don't know. What do you think?
Well, it ain't cold enough to do a fire yet. I'm just getting it in here in case you decide one day, well, I think I'll have a fire.
Yeah, it's not all that uncomfortable.
No.
Oh.
No, I'm thinking that while I go outside, I need to water my pineapple, so I need to go down there and fix up a little thing here of watering my pineapple. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go down and get my eggs. And that should be the last chore of the day. Well, I gotta park the sweet potatoes in the garage. We need to come up with a tub to do it. Because we just got everything in the way. Look, I got the wood ring filled. Miss Cindy helped me do that. And Miss Cindy's relaxing now. She's down for the evening too.
Probably.
Well, you want to do a fire tonight, just for?
Not necessarily.
How
No.
how cold's it supposed to get?
30s.
Nah, that's okay. We can.
You know, but it's sunny, and so the house is still warm.
Yeah, it's supposed to be sunny again tomorrow.
Yeah.
And what's your plans? What? Oh, tomorrow's
Floor.
Tuesday. Yeah.
We're
Okay.
gonna work on that floor.
We're gonna do the tile again on the floor. Okay. Okay. I'll meet you down at the chicken house. All right. Okay. Slowly but surely. Something every day. We didn't do anything to it today, I don't think. Other things going on. There's Samson. Hey, Samson. Samson the cat. Kitty, 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 kitty. Listen. Man. Got the garlic growing good. It's getting cold. All the leaves have come off the grapes. Look at that sage. Yeah, that's good. I didn't know sage. There's my parsley. The basil's died back. But look at this lettuce, man. We're still eating lettuce. It's kind of tall, but it doesn't taste bitter at all. But anyway, let's go down and close up the chicken. It's getting dark, and it's almost 5 o'clock. No, it's almost 6 o'clock. Jeez, I can't even tell time. That's because of the digital clocks. Yeah. I think we need to go back to just to, I know it saves time, but golly. Scraping up all my leaves from building my compost. Underneath that compost is rabbit manure, and where I cleaned out the nest box and what have you. Turn a light on here. Now my chickens ain't been laying. Now I put 13 new chickens in there, so they shouldn't be laying until maybe January. Probably 14th or 15th of January, because they're young still. But I got 13 other hens that are laying. They're layers, and they've just not been doing what they're supposed to be doing. They've been giving me like 3 eggs a day, sometimes maybe no eggs at all. But I've tried to boost up their. Let's just go in and see them. I've tried to boost up their protein. Let's go in and see them. Two eggs. Oh, I better close the door. These are my older chickens right here. See? I've had these probably maybe 2-3 years. I think the oldest one up there is like 4. So they'll be pretty. These are my 2s. They should be just starting to lay. But down in here, these are all my babies right here that I hatched out. You see, they've not been promoted. Oh, now let me say something here. Hang on. These down here have not even learned. Can't get a good look at them. Yeah. She's an old mama right there. There's 13 chicks. There's 13 chicks down there. You're not gonna let me get a word in edgeways. Okay. 2 eggs. Two eggs. Okay. Well, hold on. Hold on. Just 2 eggs. Thank you all for the 2 eggs, though. Appreciate that. Okay. I'll see you back up there. See, it's almost dark. That's the west right there. That's the exact west. So let's okay. Put them to bed. This old processing area right there. That's the processing area right there. We got her closed down for right now. We ain't processing nothing. Lock my shed up overnight. That way, the animals get my feed. Okay, then I guess we'll end this here today. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for stopping in. Go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment. Just anything you want to say or do. And I'll try to get better at this editing. I'm really having a hard time with this. But I kind of like it. Just keep coming by. And if you're a boondocker, stop in to boondockerswelcome.com. And if you want to see us finish the restoration of the 69 Holiday Rambler, there's a playlist. You can see what we've done over the past 4 years. And of course, it's winter time, so everything's slowed down. The next big project we got going will be cutting up firewood. So we'll take a couple days a week out here until winter's over, and we'll cut up our firewood. And then and the 69 Holiday Rambler, that's the project. We want to be through that by springtime, or at least middle of the summer. So we can just go someplace and camp and do something, or just show it off. All right? Okay. Thank you so much for stopping in. And remember, read your Bible every day. Pray. Be led by that Spirit. Jesus is your only chance here. Okay? I love you. Thanks for stopping in. Pray for us at Burmark Farms. All right? Bye.